Hello family, I am Devesh from Interazzo and today I'll show you a beautifully designed 3 BHK home at Assetz Sun and Sanctum, designed and executed for our client Mr. Manik and Mrs. Sharon. Let's begin with the foyer, the first impression of the home. This space has been designed with a perfect balance of functionality and aesthetics. The foyer base unit comes with Hafele Anti-Rust SS304 soft close hinges ensuring smooth movement and long-term durability. The drawers are fitted with Hafele standard channels offering easy access and daily convenience. An open box concept has been added to keep frequently used items handy while maintaining a clean and organized look. Moving towards the wall decor, we have created a premium backdrop using a laminated ledge paired with bronze mirror finish that reflects light beautifully and enhances the sense of space. The fluted panel detailing adds texture and character to the wall, while the cove lighting softly highlights the design element, creating a warm and welcoming entry ambience. The MCB panel has been smartly covered with laminate finish panel, blending functionality with the overall design language of the foyer. This living room is designed to be the heart of the home. Starting with the entertainment base unit, we have used MDF shutters finished with Decor paint, giving it a sleek and premium appearance. The unit is equipped with quadro undermount channels, ensuring smooth, silent movement and excellent load-bearing capacity. A laminated ledge has been added on top, ensuring both utility and visual appeal. The entertainment wall panel has been designed as a statement feature. It includes laminated wall paneling beautifully highlighted with a gold T profile that adds a touch of luxury. The fluted panel detailing brings texture and depth to the design, while the bronze mirror inserts reflect light and elevate the overall ambience. To complete the look, we have added subtle wall trims in the living wall decor. For the false ceiling in the living area, we have given peripheral false ceiling with island along with downlighters, profile lights and cove lighting. Moving towards the dining area, this space is designed to create a warm and stylish setting for everyday gathering. The backdrop wall features a customized digital print wallpaper, adding personality and character to the dining zone while acting as a strong visual focal point. For the ceiling in the dining area, we have designed it with laminated rafters with black T profile. The crockery base unit is fitted with Hafele Anti-Rust SS304 hinges, ensuring durability and smooth functionality. The shutters are enhanced with MDF fluted panel detailing, adding texture and elegance to the storage unit. The unit is further highlighted with a champagne cube profile, bronze mirror panel and integrated profile lighting which together enhance depth, brightness and visual richness. This Puja unit is thoughtfully designed to create a peaceful and divine corner within the home. The backdrop features a beautifully crafted MDF CNC panel complemented by an elegant MDF CNC jali design. To enhance the spiritual ambience, we have added spotlights along with soft cove lighting, creating a warm and serene glow. The design is further elevated with hanging bells and brushed gold Om CNC centerpiece, becoming the spiritual focus point of the space. The customized digital print wallpaper has also been added inside the Puja unit, bringing depth and artistic detailing to the backdrop and completing the divine look. Now let's step into the kitchen, designed with a perfect combination of functionality, durability and modern aesthetics. This kitchen features a blend of acrylic and laminate finishes. The base units are done in high gloss acrylic while the wall units are finished in laminate for a balanced and practical design approach. The layout also includes a mini tall unit overhead loft storage and 2 dedicated kitchen tall units, one finished in laminate and the other in acrylic, ensuring maximum storage and seamless visual flow. Starting with the base units, they are equipped with Blum Tandem Box drawer having 30 kg of weight carrying capacity and comes with 15 years of warranty, offering exceptional strength and smooth soft close functionality. A dedicated cooking agent has been provided for organized spice and bottle storage, along with a built-in kitchen laundry basket for everyday convenience. Moving up to the wall units, we have incorporated Black Aluminium Frame Shutters, adding a sleek and contemporary touch to the kitchen design. The cabinets are fitted with Blum Aventos Hks lift-up mechanisms, ensuring effortless upward opening and easy accessibility. To enhance functionality and visual appeal, the wall unit setup also includes open box shelves, a laminate ledge, and integrated spotlight that brighten up the workspace. Additionally, a GTPT tray has been installed, providing smart internal storage solution for better organization. The tall unit is designed with 2 wicker baskets and features an acrylic finished shutter, offering breathable storage for vegetable and daily essentials. The kitchen countertop is finished with a premium tab cord in Calcutta light, giving a space a luxurious look while ensuring durability and easy maintenance. The Wall Dado is finished with designer tiles, completing the kitchen's modern and elegant appearance. This master bedroom is designed to offer comfort, functionality, and luxurious ambience. Starting with the wardrobe, this room features a hinged wardrobe with overhead loft storage, maximizing vertical space and ensuring ample storage. The wardrobe design is enhanced with black aluminium frame shutters, adding a modern and elegant touch. The dressing base unit is designed with a full height mirror and integrated profile lighting, creating a well-lit and functional grooming area while adding visual depth to the bedroom. Moving towards the bed backdrop, the Quartz wall decor has been designed as a statement feature. It includes a combination of laminated panels and fluted panel detailing, adding texture and character to the wall. A plain mirror insert has been added to enhance brightness and create a sense of openness, while gold T-profile accent elevate the design with a touch of luxury. In front of the bed, we have provided a sleek entertainment base unit offering convenient storage while maintaining a clutter-free and balanced layout. The room also includes a dedicated study area setup with the study base unit, overhead loft storage, and wall-mounted ledges, creating a compact yet efficient workspace without compromising on bedroom aesthetics. We have given peripheral false ceiling with downlighters and cutout for curtain in all the bedrooms. This parent's bedroom is thoughtfully designed to offer comfort, calm, and thoughtful atmosphere. This room features 2 hinged wardrobes with dual loft storage, providing ample space for organized storage while maintaining a clean and seamless look. Moving towards the entertainment area, we have created wall-mounted display ledges with integrated spotlight, adding both functionality and ambient lighting. The entertainment base unit is designed for modern convenience and smooth operation. It comes with Blum tip-on mechanism for handleless soft opening. An open box unit has also been added for quick access storage and decorative display. The dressing base unit is paired with a full-length mirror and soft cove lighting. The dressing wall panel has been finished with fluted panel detailing, adding texture and visual depth to the space. The bed backdrop has been designed as a standout feature. The Quartz wall decor is executed using gypsum board false wall highlighted with concealed cove lighting that creates a soft, relaxing ambience. We have incorporated a custom digital wallpaper, turning the bed wall into the beautiful focal point of the room. The guest bedroom is designed to offer comfort and welcoming ambience for the visitors. This room features a hinged wardrobe with overhead loft storage, finished with black aluminium frame shutter with fluted glass that add a sleek, modern look. Integrated profile lighting enhances visibility while elevating the overall aesthetics of the wardrobe design. We have designed dressing base unit equipped with drawer channels, ensuring smooth daily usage and organized storage. Overall, the guest bedroom maintains the perfect balance between functionality and elegant design, ensuring a comfortable and premium stay experience. Thank you for watching our video. I would also like to thank our in-house team. Stay tuned for more videos.